CHZ especially faces obstruction at 20 cents in an all things considered enormous way. CHZ truly acquired roughly 0.04% inside the most recent 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely critical. CHZ, USD pair exchanging beneath a MA, which especially is very huge. Chiliz basically shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. The 14th of June 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Chiliz cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time commonly got clarification on pressing issues. What truly is truly momentary cost expectation for Chiliz? Sort of is CHZ a kind of wise interest in a sort of significant manner? Chiliz support and obstruction levels and so on, which generally is very critical. However, prior to jumping sort of profound into the CHZ specialized examination, most certainly allowed us to discuss the especially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There essentially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,058,986,395,016 in an unpretentious manner. The truly complete exchanging volume truly remains at $28,914,442,597 most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%. Or so they truly thought, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78% in a by and large significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value reduction of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time span in a very significant manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is somewhere near 9.41 and at present exchanging at 51 cents, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a downfall of 0.78%, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a very descending heading for all things considered, present moment, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. As of now, a general sort of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how the all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $28,914,442,597 in a by and large significant manner. Chiliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction essentially are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP explicitly, is somewhere near 9.41 and right now exchanging at 51 cents incredibly. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers certainly become sort of more kind of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition most certainly is a level at which dealers basically move sort of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz truly is at 6 cents, up 0.04% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours and sort of has a value change of 25.39% over the course of the week. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is $23,675,373.00 while for the most part absolute market cap came to $478,394,451 USD, which explicitly is very critical. There fundamentally are practically 7,010,646,178 basically are available for use out of 8,888,888,888. Further appearance how yet prior to jumping profound into the CHZ specialized examination, truly let us for the most part discuss the especially current economic situations, which essentially is very huge. Chiliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for the 14th of June 2023 inside a day-to-day time period generally made sense of beneath, showing how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a truly descending bearing for commonly transient in an exceptionally significant manner. We utilize kind of relative strength index, moving sort of normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving really normal and remarkable moving genuinely normal to generally investigate the future development of the Chiliz, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The sort of relative strength record for CHZ coin generally is presently floating at 28 for 14 days certainly normal line, which sort of means CHZ by and large is an oversold zone and a pattern especially inversion for the most part is conceivable, showing the way that help certainly is a level at which purchasers most certainly become genuinely more genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further in a very significant manner. The Chiliz truly has in every practical sense break all its especially upholds levels and things are not looking commonly great for the crypto market. So Chiliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how XRP the kind of local coin of XRP for the most part is somewhere around 9.41 and as of now exchanging at 51 cents, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. As of now, truly bears fundamentally are in charge of the market and effectively generally take CHZ cost beneath the critical help level of 17 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The CHZ USD moving sort of normal union and difference pointer truly is demonstrating a present moment truly sell in every way that really matters. Signal as the MACD line explicitly is moving beneath fundamentally signal line which basically implies all things considered. Bears explicitly are overwhelming on the lookout, especially further appearance how right now. Generally bears basically are in charge of the market and effectively for the most part take CHZ cost underneath the pivotal help level of 17 cents, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. While CHZ's Williams % R pointer by and large is at 61.238 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition, a exchange most certainly signal truly is entirely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that following really are the help and opposition levels of Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz by and large is at 6 cents, up 0.04% in the in every practical sense. Recent hours and in a real sense has a value change of 25.39% throughout the week, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. And CHZ cost truly is moving in sideways course, showing how the CHZ USD moving in every practical sense. Normal combination and disparity pointer sort of is demonstrating a very present moment in every way that really matters. Sell exceptionally signal as the MACD line generally is moving underneath all things considered. Signal line which in a real sense implies sort of bears basically are ruling on the lookout. Sort of additional appearance how as of now, explicitly bears all things considered, are in charge of the market and effectively all things considered, take CHZ cost beneath the pivotal help level of 17 cents, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The fight between the bulls and the explicit